Hi, welcome, Simon here. In this video, I'll be doing a battery replacement on a Dell laptop. Alright, so if you have the battery that is not holding the charge, or maybe that your trackpad is not clickable, or if you feel like there's a lump on the trackpad, that's more likely because the battery has gone bad. What happens is that when the battery is swollen or swell, when it lumps, it pushes from the inside out where it pushes the clicker or the trackpad. So if you happen to have that reason, plus if your battery is not holding the charge, maybe let's just say fully charged at 100%, it only lasted you for like half an hour, then it's time for a new battery. Okay, and for this, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing first, I need to have a Torque T5. This runs on the Torque screws. Remove the screws here and the back and remove the back cover. So there are 2 screws on the top, 2 screws here in the middle, left and right, and there are 4 screws at the bottom. Once you have removed all the screws, let's go ahead and open up the back cover. What I like to do is to start off with the corner. I'll be using a metal prying tool to kind of stick in between, get a little bit grip on it, and use a plastic prying tool to pry it open. This is because if I use the metal to pry it open, I might end up making a scratch to the laptop. So once you open up the back cover, remove the back cover, you can see that the entire battery here, the entire back of the computer is mostly battery. So like 75% of it is just battery, okay? The next step is to disconnect the battery by simply sliding down the connector. So that is the white connector, just slide it down. And that should be it. So to remove the battery, you need to get a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the screws. Okay, once you have removed all the screws, the next step is to go ahead and lift the batteries straight up. Okay, you can just lift it up. Just be very careful because the battery has been in there for a while. So it's kind of sticky on one side of it. And I'm just kind of moving it gently, little by little. You can see the thing is coming apart. Alright, so the battery will just come right off. There's some kind of a tape right there. It's taping onto the keyboard. Now, what is the model for this? The model for the battery is NNF1C. Hope you guys can see it. That's the model for the battery. I'll link it down in the description below where you can buy this from either Amazon or eBay. And all you have to do is just get a replacement, put it back in, have all the screws go back in, and slide the connector together, and that should be it for the battery replacement. Hope this video helps. Any question, comment down below. If you find this video is helpful, please go ahead and smash the like button for me. And if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope that you can change the battery without any problem. Bye now.